it's Justine Marjan. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to create this super cute flipped out kind of 60s inspired ponytail. This is a look that I get a lot of requests for. It's actually my most viewed TikTok video ever. So I'm using a hidden crown bungee ponytail for this look, but you can also try it without adding the ponytail extension if your hair is long enough. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do to get this look is just make sure her hair is super sleek and smooth. So I'm gonna go in with the GHD Platinum Plus Styler and just take 1 inch horizontal sections. Make sure the hair is tangle free and then follow the brush with the iron. And that's what gets a really smooth finish to the hair. Making sure the hair is super smooth before we pull it back just makes it really easy to pull the hair back without it getting tangled or snagged. And it also keeps our hair really clean and our sections really smooth. I love this GHD styler because it allows me to get a super smooth finish with just one pass. I'm causing less damage and stress on the hair. It also only heats up to 365 degrees, which is the ideal temperature for heat styling the hair without causing damage. So now that her hair is nice and smooth, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a section from the top of her ear to where I want the ponytail to sit. Because I want this to be a pretty high ponytail that we see in the front, I'm gonna take it right to the crown of the head. Clip away this bottom section so that we can work on the top section without this hair getting in the way. Gather this hair into a half up ponytail. And because we straightened her hair, it's really easy to get that sleek and snatched finish. And then I'll spray a little bit of the Tresemme Micro Mist hairspray and extend at the roots. And then while the hair is still wet, I'll brush it up. And this will give me that hold and that really clean, sleek, tight finish. So now that I've got this clean, tight ponytail, I'm just gonna use a snag-free elastic to secure. And I like to pull the front of the hair with the elastic so that it's really smooth. Hold it in place with my hand and then twist and repeat the elastic. Because I already added hairspray to the roots, the hair has good hold, so I'm not worried too much about it falling while I'm securing it. So that's our half up ponytail, and then we're just gonna repeat the same process on the bottom half of her hair, adding it to this original ponytail. And I like to do this in sections so that I can make sure that I'm getting a really clean finish. So I'm just gonna go through and grab sections of the hair and then slowly add it to our pony. So now that I have her sleek and snatched ponytail, I'm just gonna clean up if there's any flyaway hairs around the hairline with a little bit of the Oribe Strong Hold Gel and a toothbrush. So now that her ponytail's ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and attach a hidden crown bungee ponytail. This is in shade 622, and it has this great little hook here that makes it really easy to secure into the elastic band, and then I'll just hook the two sides of the bungee around the base of the ponytail. So if the top is separated from the base, I'm just gonna go in with a French pin and secure it. So I'm taking a small piece from underneath the ponytail, and I usually try to find a shorter piece so I don't have to wrap it around the base so much. And then I'll just wrap it around to conceal the base of that ponytail. Now that I have secured her ponytail, I'm just going to go ahead and drape her, and we're gonna cut the length of this ponytail so that it sits right around her shoulders so we can go in and curl it and get that nice kind of cute flipped out look. I ordered this cutting cape off of Etsy. It's hand dyed, and I just think it's so cool in this tie-dye print. And then to cut the pony, because it's not going to be completely straight because it's coming off of the round of her head, I'm just going to place it how I want it to fall when I'm finished. And then I'll go in with scissors and my comb and just cut it straight across the bottom. So now that I've cut the length of this ponytail, we're just gonna go in with a curling iron. I'm using the GHD Soft Curl Iron. This is a 1 1/4 inch iron. We're just gonna flip out the ends with a little bit of hairspray in the iron. All right, you guys, this is the final 60s flipped out ponytail tutorial. If you guys try it, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter so I can repost your looks, and make sure to subscribe and comment and let me know what other videos you want to see from me.